Simulator. Today, it has updated. We're going to be grinding a little bit. We had to defeat 5 ladybugs. Let's get over to a field that has ladybugs. Where is there a ladybug? Clover I already did. There's no other fields with ladybugs. Strawberry I did, and mushroom I did, but it didn't give it to me. Let's talk to Panda Bear. Okay. Now, let's go over here with my friend, Percy Thomas.
Tyler. Percy Thomas, you could say.
Okay. Now, let's get going up here. See the stumps there. Wait! There's a secret area!
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. There's a royal jelly and a microconverter.
Okay.
There's also a present. Because I got that.
Cool.
And there's one between the clock, there's one between the
Let's go get the microconverter.
And there's one between
And then let's go get the royal jelly. And then let's just die so we can get all the way back. I lost my pollen! No, I forgot about that. But yes, guys, I did buy the mythic pack, obviously, for you guys. And I got the one I really wanted, the spicy bee.
Wait, Toxic, please. Go in the Cloverfield, because I want to show you something.
Okay.
I want to show you something.
I'll be right there, Percy Thomas.
Okay. Come. It's real good. Well, go. I'm near Brownberry.
Okay.
Look, check it out. There's another one.
Oh, there is?
Yeah. And there's a present.
Oh, I almost died there.
That has a... You did it, Parker, right?
Okay, collect 4 ornaments, and there's something behind it. 15 gumdrops.
Really?
Yep.
I didn't saw that. Well, of course I died.
I'm recording!
Oh, well, I forgot.
Okay, guys, I'll just cut that part out. I'm sorry. He was being an idiot, but... Okay, let's keep collecting in this field, guys. Whoa, so many honeys.
What field are you?
Clover.
Okay. I'm coming down. Come down there. Wait, how many Robux do I have, bro? Oh, 803 Robux.
Yeah, Shadowlock might be making some new Roblox videos. Go subscribe to him, maybe. Oh, there's a new ability.
There's no way.
He might be spending Robux when he's on his channel.
Yes, I will, right now.
Okay, he's going to start uploading a video of him spending Robux, and go subscribe to him.
Not right now.
But also subscribe to me, because I'm better.
No, you're not. I have more videos.
No, you don't. I have 63 or something.
Oh, I know. Well, that's my first video. I'm spending Robux on this. But there's this one thing that's, what's it called?
Okay, guys. Oh, did I finish Brown Bear?
Stupid dying at Quill Lake.
Oh, I did finish Brown Bear. Okay. Let's talk to him. Yay! Got another ornament.
Toxic, please. You have the same two that I have. I only have those two as well. Alright, that's all it is.
Okay, so what we need to do is we should start doing some Rhino Beetle stuff.
Go. Yeah, you should go in. Oh yeah, there's a seedling in the strawberry field.
Where is it?
Strawberry.
What?
Seedling.
Seedling?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe.
It's a gummy one. It's a gummy one.
Okay.
Aqua breather. I already have everything in there. What else?
Are you recording?
No.
Okay, guys, so I think what we're going to do is I'm going to grind a little bit off camera, and then I'll be back when I have like 10 million pollen. I meant honey, by the way. Okay, so guys, we're back. I've grinded a little bit. I'm working on this one mother bear quest. So I'm almost done with that, and I'll see if I can complete it on camera. I just need one more token from leaves, and then I'll just do the treats part. Where is it? Just need one more token from the leaves. So I'll be back when I get that. Guys, I just got the last token. I'm recording, by the way. So, yeah. Let's go feed the treats to my bees. I really hope I have treats, or I'm just going to go buy them, obviously. Here's my hive. Welcome back, Mythic Bee. Treats. Yes, I have 259. Let's just feed him 50. Yay, Mother Bears is done. Let's go over to her, get an ornament, and we can go open that present, and then I'm going to end the video. Okay, guys. Another ornament on 5 tickets, 10,000 honey, stuffed heart ornament.
Wait, toxic.
Okay.
Toxic. Could I be with you? When we end the video.
Yep. Okay, open the colorful present. Okay. I mean, not bad. 5 royal jellies, 3 jelly beans, 1 red extract, 1 blue extract, and 4 more jelly beans. So 9 jelly beans in total. That's pretty good. So guys, that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.